In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the coding exercise. We are given a map declared with keys and values as strings, and instructed to add 3 key value pairs to it, one having a key of secret 1 and a value of ABC, another having a key named secret 2 and a value of DEF, and a third with a key of secret 3 and a value of GHI. To add elements to a map, recall that we can use the insert function. Let's insert a pair of strings with a key of secret 1 and a value of ABC. Then we will insert a pair of strings with a key of secret 2 and a value of DEF. Finally, we will insert a pair of strings with a key of secret 3 and a value of GHI. Don't forget to return the map at the bottom of the function. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.